Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video we will discuss about the 30-year mortgage trap explained. A 30-year mortgage looks simple at first. You borrow money to buy a home, and then you repay that loan through monthly payments over 30 years. Because the repayment period is long, the monthly payment becomes smaller compared to a shorter loan. This is why many buyers feel that a 30-year mortgage is easier to manage. However, this is where the first misunderstanding begins. A lower monthly payment does not always mean the loan is cheaper. It only means the cost is being stretched over a much longer time. For example, compared with a 15-year loan, a 30-year loan may feel more affordable every month, but it usually keeps you paying interest for many extra years. As a result, buyers may qualify for a more expensive home because the monthly payment looks comfortable. The bank may approve a larger loan, and the buyer may feel confident because the payment seems manageable. But behind that lower monthly payment, the total cost can become much higher. Next, the trap becomes clearer in the early years of the mortgage. At the beginning, most of your monthly payment does not reduce the actual loan balance. Instead, a large part goes toward interest. For example, in the early stage, around 80% of the payment may go to interest, while only around 20% reduces the principal. This means you are paying every month, but your loan balance goes down very slowly. Because of this, progress can feel frustrating. You may pay for years and still owe a large amount. This happens because the lender collects most of the interest earlier in the loan schedule, while the principal balance reduces more slowly at the beginning. Now, let's look at the real cost over 30 years. Suppose someone takes a $300,000 mortgage at a 6% interest rate. The monthly payment may be around $1,799. That may sound reasonable for a home loan, but over 30 years, the total amount paid can be around $647,640. That means the total interest alone may be around $347,640. So, the buyer borrowed $300,000, but over time, they may pay more than double the original loan amount. This is why the 30-year mortgage can become expensive, even though the monthly payment looks attractive. Then, the bigger problem is that it builds equity slowly. Equity means the part of the home you truly own after subtracting the loan balance. Since most of the early payments go toward interest, it can take many years to build meaningful equity. At the same time, the borrower remains tied to a large debt for decades. Because the payment looks lower, some people also buy more house than they can comfortably afford. Then, they spend years paying mostly interest. Later, they may refinance, move to another property, or restart the loan again. As a result, the debt cycle continues, and they stay in mortgage debt for much longer. However, there are ways to escape this trap. One powerful method is to make extra principal payments whenever possible. Even small extra payments can reduce the loan balance faster and save interest over time. Another simple strategy is rounding up monthly payments. For example, paying an extra $50 or $100 each month can make a noticeable difference over the life of the loan. Similarly, biweekly payments can help because paying half the monthly payment every 2 weeks can create the effect of one extra full payment per year. In addition, refinancing to a shorter term, such as a 15-year or 20-year mortgage, may save a lot of interest if the payment is affordable. But this should only be done after checking the full cost, fees, and monthly affordability. Most importantly, avoid borrowing the maximum amount you qualify for. Just because a lender approves a bigger loan does not mean it is the best choice. A safer approach is to buy what you can comfortably afford, not the highest amount allowed. So, the key lesson is this: a 30-year mortgage can reduce your monthly payment, but it can massively increase the total cost of the home. Lower monthly cost does not always mean a cheaper loan. Time increases total interest, and small extra payments can save years and money. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.